we're learning how to make a sandwich with mustard. But I do know. So first, the bread. After that, we're gonna probably add some of that good turkey. Because the good turkey is so good. Good. Alright, wait, let me just get the turkey real quick. Turkey. Yeah, you see that turkey? So immaculate turkey. Now, for the mustard! The best part. Alright, time to open the mustard. Alright. That's Come on, guys. Hold on a second. I have to, shake the mustard. Alright. Shake the mustard. I shake the mustard. Time to pour the mustard. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All that mustard. Now that it's good, fold the sandwich. Just like so. Don't mind that. Get some of these. I kind of need the mustard. I'll take it. I don't know yet. And time. Tails. After I find. Right.
You so busy not paying attention. Boy, you gonna burn it.
Annoying tails. A very annoying tails. Let's go.
You wasn't paying attention. Now you burnt it.
It's tails. He's annoying tails. He's tails.
Anyway.
Tails. Let's go.
Shut up.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, that's all for today.